Hello, listening exercise, Unit 2, page 38. Listen and answer the questions. First, we do exercise A. Exercise A. What sort of person is this? You have to describe the person. What kind of person is this? There are 3 people. Listen. Number 1. Manchester United was the stronger team in the first half of this home match against Sheffield Wednesday today. At halftime, Manchester United led by 2-1. One of the Manchester United goals was a penalty kick. The second goal came after a corner. The game was interrupted for 5 minutes when Sheffield Wednesday supporters ran onto the pitch to protest against the referee. You can see parts of this match on BBC One after the 10 o'clock news this evening. You can listen again if you want to. Here is person 2. What sort of person is this? It was a good match until halftime. Then suddenly, a gang of Chelsea fans ran out onto the pitch and started a big fight. There were only 2 of us, but we went after them to try to stop the fight. We arrested 3 of them, but my friend got a black eye. I can't understand some of these youths who come to football matches. They were like animals. They went berserk for no reason at all. What sort of person is this? And if you want to go back now. Number 3. What sort of person is this? It was great! At halftime, we ran out onto the pitch for a bit of fun. 2 or 3 policemen ran after us. I gave one of them a black eye. That's why I got arrested. But after questioning, they let me and my mates go. Next Saturday, there's a match up in Liverpool. I look forward to that because we always have a good fight with the police there. So, what sort of persons are these? This is number 1, it's a job. Number 2, well, what situation are they in and what are they doing? Let's go on to listening exercise B, page 38. Listen to the conversation and fill in the missing words. So this is a conversation between Sue and Frank. There are words missing. You need to listen for the words. Write them, please. Hello, Frank. You're late as usual. Hello, love. Sorry I'm late, but we went to the pub for a quick drink after the match. A quick drink? The match ended 3 hours ago. Oh, I'm sorry, love, but me and my mates just had a little celebration. And what was the celebration about this time? Well, first of all, we won the match 2-1. Then the best part was when some hooligans ran out onto the pitch. Sue, you men, what was such good fun about that? Well, there was a big fight with the police and one of them got hurt and they carried him off. I just don't understand why you want to go and see all that violence every Saturday afternoon. Now sit down and have your supper before it gets cold. Oh, thanks, love. I'm famished. Listen again if you want